everyone again. So good to see you at Container Days. Glad that you stayed up until our session. As mentioned, we'll be running a quiz. You can win a great rewards and on the way as well, figure out how much do you know about Kubernetes. So something that you probably expect is that we need volunteers that will make the game more exciting. So we are searching for 3 people. And raise your hand if you want to take your chances. So we have first participant, second participant, and 1 more person. Yes, come. Awesome. So come to the stage. Take your seat. All right, so a few ground rules. We have buzzers. They have different sound. You can test them now. Yep. So we'll try to figure out by the sound who is the one that is supposed to respond. All right. We have also 6 different categories. Networking, people, runtimes, logos, storage, and security. And in each category, we have 5 questions. And the questions have points from 2 to 10. So how we play this is that you will see something on the screen and you don't see the screen.
Yep.
Yes, we have to improvise.
All right. So we'll read out the questions to you, and the person that wants to reply has to hit the buzzer. Then we give you a chance to give the answer. The answer has to be formed as if it was a question. So like, I'm standing here, and then you say, who is Dorota, right? Mm-hmm. Okay, makes sense. Perfect. So I think we can start.
I think they should introduce themselves first.
Oh, yeah. Actually, we can ask for the questions, right?
Yes, maybe we could introduce ourselves as well.
You think?
Yeah.
Do you guys want to know who we are? I don't know. All right, so you start.
So basically, I'm Neven. I'm a software engineer at Miculska, and I'm one of the co-organizers of this quiz with Dorota.
So my name is Dorota. I work at Lutz as a project manager slash HR slash some other functions as well. And yeah, we thought that it would be a great idea around with Mira as well to do a fun session. Mira is just there. She hosted and she organized the whole conference, so big applause to her. Yes. All right, so let's see who our participants are.
Okay, my name is Igor. I work as a software architect at Xing. I was giving a talk today, so yeah.
So we have Igor. Thank you for your courage.
I'm Manuel, and I do Kubernetes stuff at Eventim at the moment, and I'll be joining Lotse in September.
Welcome.
Yeah, finally, my name is Sasha, and I'm from 1&1. I'm infrastructure architect, and I'm also working on Kubernetes projects.
Cool. Now we are ready to go? Yeah. All righty. So I think we can just start with first question, see how it works, right? So shall we do, which category we should start with?
Don't they pick the category?
Well, then once they have the option, once they have the voice, then they pick the category. So we start with...
Something fishy going on.
No, we are not thinking about anything weird. So we will start with first category, and the person that replies correctly can choose the next question, how many points it has, and which is the category, all right?
Okay.
So we'll just start with something easy, hopefully, with networking for 100 points. Are you ready?
Yeah.
All right.
So, the first question, a next-generation VPN solution with kernel space implementation developed by the Edge Security.
Any takers?
What? That's 100.
That's very specific. Like,
Any takers from the crowd?
Yeah.
Well done. So for someone from the crowd,
okay.
did we have a correct answer?
Yes, what is
Alrighty,
WireGuard?
so for the participants, who was the correct answer? I'm gonna throw it to you, so you have to catch. Alrighty.
So you pick the next category for... Yes. Storage for 300.
Okay, not making that easy.
And CNCF incubating project storage orchestrator for Kubernetes.
What is Rook?
Yeah.
Well done. Well done. What's the next category and points?
Next category is security 200.
Security for 200.
Yeah.
A vulnerability in the Linux kernel that affects all Linux-based operating systems, including Android. It is a local privilege escalation bug that exploits a race condition in the copy and write mechanism in the kernel memory management. Discovered by Philip Oyster.
There were so many actually.
That's why it was discovery and exactly. It's famous one, a big one.
Should we give
What is Heartbleed?
No,
No.
should we give a first letter?
it starts with D.
No. That didn't help.
Anyone from the crowd? Shall we give a second letter?
E. D. E.
I.
I.
D-I. All right, well, no takers.
So,
Okay.
what is dirty cow?
Oh, shit.
Aw. So you can choose again the category.
Okay, then I take networking 200.
Net 200. Network fabric for containers, designed for Kubernetes. Also, a soft-woven fabric. A network CNI plugin. Let's make it simple.
Yeah. So,
What is Weave something?
woven fabric.
First letter?
No. Let's take it to the crowd, I would say, right?
Yeah.
Correct.
Shit, yeah.
What is
Flannel is a bucket.
Yeah, the flannel
Well
shirt.
done.
Yeah.
What's the next category then?
Oh, sorry. Security for 100. Okay. This is a common code example, you will all see. This is an example of what? Security related.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry, it's just... Yeah, that's important. Okay?
I think he was first. Or,
What is SQL injection?
Yes.
Well done, well done. What's the next category for you?
Logos 100.
Logos for 100.
All right.
So, everybody can see.
Yeah.
What?
I have not seen that.
What?
I have never seen that.
So this,
Let us try. What is cube word?
Cube
Nope.
word? Nope.
No.
so maybe
was
we
in the
should
workshop.
explain what it is, just to give a hint.
So basically it's logos related to famous Kubernetes projects, or maybe less famous ones. This one you probably used.
Yeah, so it's like something that you use actually in the beginning, kind of your Kubernetes journey as well.
What is Minikube?
Yes, correct.
Yay.
Well done.
Okay, let's.
I just love
Logos 200.
I don't know. What is Kubernetes? Or Lutze?
no.
I mean,
Yeah. What is Lutz?
sorry.
So what is Lutze?
Lutze.
Cool.
Okay.
Next category.
Was it me?
No, you.
I said what is Kubernetes and he said what is Lutze. So, yeah.
Logos 300.
No, okay.
I mean, it's fun. Come on.
What? I forgot it, but it's
What is Kubernetes?
Yes. Well done.
No? Is it Cube
What is
1?
Cube 1?
Oh, you have too many fucking...
Fantastic.
No, it's Kubernetes! Yeah, alright! Yeah.
Nice.
So what do you want to do now?
Well, I mean, should I just go with it and go for Logos 400?
Sure, be ready.
Yeah.
What is Cube 1?
Well done. Well done.
That kind of
Yes.
it kind of feels like a shameless plug.
We're sorry, not sorry.
Okay, let's go for runtimes 100.
Runtimes 100. The most common CLI tool for swapping and runtime containers, according to OC. Warning.
What is kube control?
No. The most common CLI tool.
Is it just what is Docker? Yeah, I said what is Docker. Yeah,
No.
but
No.
What is run C?
yeah.
Our mistake.
Yeah. I guess
What's the next category then?
so.
Runtimes 200.
A Go user space kernel implemented a substantial portion of the Linux system surface, includes the Open Container Initiative runtime, run-sc, providing isolation between applications and the host kernel, while integrated with Docker Kubernetes, making sandbox containers simpler.
What is C groups?
No,
What is ContainerD?
no, that's CRI.
Oh yeah.
Any hints?
It's a Google project.
What?
It's a Google project.
Yeah, it's
It's
I don't get.
First letter?
run-sc. Who supplies run-sc? It starts with G because it's Google project.
what is gwiser?
What?
Gwiser.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Nice. What's the next one?
Security 300.
A Linux kernel security module that allows the system administrators to restrict program capabilities with pair program profiles. Profiles can allow capabilities like network access, raw socket access, and permission to read, write, or execute files on matching paths.
I don't get it.
What is C groups again?
No, it's not C groups.
No. Can you just show us the
Can
question,
you
please?
just shift it like the yeah?
Security module.
A hint?
So it's not SL Linux.
Yeah. Is it just AppArmor? Yeah.
Yes.
What is AppArmor? Sorry. Yeah. So I'll take people for 100.
A developer advocate for the Google Cloud Platform and the co-author of Kubernetes running.
Who's Joe Bida?
Let's see.
Uh,
Is this the correct
I
answer?
think it's Kelsey this time.
What?
Kelsey Hightower.
Oh, Kelsey Hightower. All right. Okay.
So choose the category again.
Okay. Yeah. I mean, let's take storage for like 400.
Storage for find. A method of optimizing the efficiency with which the available space is utilized in storage area networks. It operates by allocating disk storage space in a flexible manner among multiple users based on the minimal space required by each user at any given time. Supported in LVM, among other solutions.
That's specific.
Okay, let's give a hint. Let's give a hint.
So it's related to storage provisioning. And it's even called something provisioning.
Yeah. No.
Shall we ask
No
the
idea.
crowd?
Yeah.
Do you guys know the answer? Does anyone know the answer?
Yeah.
Oh.
Well done.
Just yeah. Okay.
So let's try with which category? All right.
All right.
Let's see.
So this one.
What is this? It's kind of related to today's event, I would say. Another event hosted by Lutze.
Is it written on my back?
It is.
Okay.
So
Oh shit. Yeah. Okay.
So hint.
I don't know it.
it's related to programming language.
It's in Berlin.
So it has the programming language and something else in the name.
Oh, is it Go Days?
Well done, yes. So we are done with the logos.
So which is the next one?
I mean, let's take runtimes for 300 then.
Runtimes for 300. Analyzes resource usage and performance characteristics of running containers. It is.
What is C Advisor?
Yep.
Nice. So what should be the next one?
Let's take networking for 300.
A CNCF project consisting of specification and libraries for writing plugins to configure network interfaces in Linux containers, along with a number of supported plugins.
What is CNI?
Yes.
Yeah.
Nice. Well done.
I mean,
Next category.
Okay, then I take people 200.
Heptio co-founder and CTO, co-author of the Kubernetes app.
who is Joe Beda?
I guess it's the correct answer.
I mean, yeah. Well, then take people for 300.
All right. Loki creator, Cortex co-author, nowadays VP product at Grafana Labs.
I saw a talk of him at KubeCon.
Do we give the first letter of the
I
name?
think it's the.
T?
I don't know.
T like, for example, Tim or Tom, right?
Yeah, something like that.
Something like this. Do we give the second letter?
I think it's Tom.
So what is the surname? The first letter of the
I
surname?
knew it was Tom.
W.
Tom W?
Yeah.
Winston.
Do you guys know? Tom W?
I
Correct.
think it's Wilkie or some. Wilkie.
Oh, Wilkie, yeah.
Sorry, no Lucy for you. Next time.
The talk was
You
good.
can pick the next category. Storage. Oh, the easy one. Fuck.
A free software storage platform implements object storage on a single distributed computer cluster and provides interfaces for object, block, and file.
What is Ceph?
But no, Ceph aims primarily.
With completely distributed
There's the answer,
operation
right?
without a single portion failure. Scalable to the exabyte level and freely available. So this is how the full question looks like.
Yeah.
We'll give you guys some time to read.
So it's not Ceph. I hope so. I think it's the
Is
other
it
one.
really?
What is OpenEBS?
No.
No? Yeah. I don't know.
A hint?
I think it's the other famous distributed storage. Yes, Gluster.
So who was first?
Okay,
Answer. You? Okay.
No.
Oh, come on! Oh, that
Okay, what is Ceph?
is not fair.
Small technical glitch.
All right.
So like nobody reviewed the pull request.
Alrighty.
It's Ceph.
So who chooses the next category?
You can,
Yeah?
yeah, then I can take storage for
500 or
500, yeah.
one's in.
Communication standard developed specially for SSDs by a consortium of vendors including Intel, Samsung, SanDisk, Dell, and Seagate. It operates across the PCI bus, which allows the drivers to act more like the fast memory that they have, rather than the hard disks they imitate. Hint?
What is Optane, maybe?
No.
Yeah, no. All right.
So you have some older standard like SC.
SCSI.
Yes, that one. And this one is newer. You will find it all modern servers and all modern laptops and hardware.
What is iSCSI then? Or no? All right. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. I have no idea. That's way too far away from me.
What's NVMe?
No. Oh, yeah. All right. Yeah.
Well, let's try with the next question.
So pick another category.
Okay, then take runtimes 400.
A CNCF graduated project container runtime with an emphasis on simplicity, robustness, and portability.
What's containerd?
I think yes, actually. Yeah.
Nice.
No logos anymore, damn it. Okay, I don't know, runtime's 500.
Sure.
A Linux kernel feature that limits, accounts for, and isolates the resource usage, CPU, memory, disk.
What is C groups?
Yeah. So what's the next category?
I then take networking 400.
Networking 400.
A virtual network that is built on top of an underlying network infrastructure, underlay network.
What's an overlay network?
Yes.
Oh, okay. That seemed too easy.
Okay, then networking 500.
Ooh. A powerful command line packet analyzer, a libpscap, a portable C/C++ library for network traffic capture.
What is TCP dump?
Yes.
Nice. So, which category?
Storage 200.
A scale-out network-attached storage file system. It has fun applications including cloud computing, streaming media services, and CDNs. Currently developed by Red Hat. It's not safe.
What is cluster FS?
Yes.
Okay, then security 400.
Ooh.
Vulnerability type that let an attacker send crafted requests from the backend server to offer vulnerable web application. It is used to target internal systems that are behind firewalls and are not accessible from the external network.
No. I don't get the full name.
Is it, what is shellcode injection or remote
Which one?
shell? Remote shell execution or?
No, it's not. Not that one, at least in this case.
Hint?
Server side.
Request forgery, server side.
Yes.
Oh, fuck yeah.
Aww.
I just thought it couldn't. Yeah, yeah. All right.
So which should be the next category? We only have 3 questions left.
And all are hard.
Should I choose? Okay, then it's people 400.
All right.
People 400.
So, they are the co-founders of Lutze.
I can't.
What is Sebastian Scheele? And I forgot the other one.
Well, do you know the answer?
No.
I guess you have to answer.
Okay, who is Sebastian Scheele and Julian Hansard?
Nice. Alrighty, you choose the question.
Yeah, then people for 500.
Okay. He was an American businessman and transport entrepreneur who developed the modern intermodal shipping container, which revolutionized transport and international trade in the second half of 20th century.
I mean,
yeah.
it's Container Days, so yeah, I get it, but no.
A hint?
It's American, so
Any
No idea.
takers from the crowd?
No idea.
Any ideas? Well, then let's give you this knowledge.
Malcolm McLean.
Now you'll remember.
I will probably Google him.
All right.
All right, so we have the last questions. Are you guys ready for this? Yes? Okay. So maybe I'll read it and you show on the screen.
It's nice.
A special type of file permissions given to the Linux Unix files that allow to run them as owner of the file rather than the user who runs
What is the set UID bit?
Yes.
it. Cool. Well done. All right. So we are out of all questions. So we'll quickly go to our point advisors and see what are the results. Give us a few minutes. So how was it for you guys? Very hard, very easy, tricky?
Well, it was funny, but it was a bit hard after the conference. Yeah.
Oh, well, after the conference, it should be easier than before the conference, right? New knowledge,
Yeah.
new talks.
But it was fun, yeah.
Good, good, good. How was it for you guys?
I should have been faster with pressing, so I'm probably just
For the
tired.
next session, you'll know. You'll be there like all the time,
Yeah.
pressing. And you?
Yeah, I'm super sad that I failed the C group's answer.
Oh,
Yeah, it was fun.
great.
So whoever wants to
Yeah.
read the questions, I have them. They're at jeopardy.containerays.io. Feel free to share it or whatever you want to do with them.
All right, so the person with the highest number of points, so we have, starting with the person with the lowest number of points, Manuel.
The
you
guy
got-
you hired.
You still have some time, right? When are you
Yeah,
joining?
sure. Yeah.
So you got 200 points.
Oh, thanks.
And we have another person, the candidate number C, right? Oh, this C. These are the numbers. Yes. Yeah. Sorry. It's 2000.
Oh, okay, cool. That sounds better.
So 2,000 for you. Alrighty. You received 1,700 points, and you are the winner with 2,500 points. Congratulations. All right. So thank you so much for participation. And now it's time for the rewards. So I'll start with the first person. This is for you, but this is not all.
Oh, thank you.
So you will also get the full set ready for holiday season. So this is for you.
Cool.
We also have the rewards for you guys. So one for you
Cool.
and one for you.
Thank you so
Oh,
much.
thank you so much.
Welcome.
Cool.
And the sets as well.
Ooh,
One for
cool.
you and one for you. Thank you so
Thank
much
you.
all for participation. Hope it was fun for you.